Hi! In front of me is Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by accessing Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Following that, to add your alarm, click on this plus. Now set up an hour. When you are ready, tap on repeat at the top and pick days of the week, in my case Mondays and Wednesdays. When you are finished, select OK in the pop-up. Then click on Sound section. Select Allow in this pop-up and pick the best option for you. You can select None, and then your alarm will only vibrate. You can click on Music on device, tap on any song from your tablet to set it up and go back then. Or just click on one of those classic ringtones, like Forest Melody. Wherever you decided, when you are done, click on the back button and click on this switcher next to Vibrate feature to switch it off or on. Then select Label. Now you can label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and select OK to save it. Finally, click on Ring Duration and decide how many minutes your alarm will ring. I will go with 15. Last but not least, hit snooze duration. And by swiping left or right on those two sliders, decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. Then hit OK and save your alarm thanks to this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to edit it, tap on the chosen one, make your changes, and save them thanks to the same check mark again. If you want to discard them instead, select X at the top left corner. Then hit Save or Discard in the pop-up. In my case, discard. Lastly, you can delete your alarm by clicking on it as well. Selecting Delete button at the bottom and confirming your choice in Delete this alarm pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!